Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. You can install Beekeeper Studio with Snap Manager. First, what you need to do is to install the Snap on your server. Then install the Snap core, and after that install the Beekeeper Studio. When the installation is finished, you can go into your desktop shell. You can search on the system search bar by typing Beekeeper Studio or by icon. Beekeeper Studio will be launched. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.